Oh, it's
Just yes.
It's the intro. Oh.
Say hey.
Hey, you guys.
What's poppin'?
Okay, so we're trying to think of a name for these two, but welcome back to my channel. This is Jay. This is Tet. This is my sister. I'm sure you've seen her from Seattle vlogs. This is my best friend Jessie. You've seen her from my non-existent Florence vlogs, which I vlogged, but I never posted. But we're going on an Asian.
See how she doing? You need to learn. You need to learn from her.
We're going on an Asian adventure.
Woo!
Asia, Asia.
But we're going to Thailand, then we're going to Korea, and then we're going to Tokyo, and then creep. Jess and I are going to Shanghai as well. I'm holding up 5 fingers, but it's because I can't do 4 right there. We just made it through security.
We did it, guys. One step closer to our trip. Asian adventure.
So next step is board the 15-hour flight to Shanghai.
It's okay. We finessed our seats by each other.
We did.
So
because the woman was like, well, are you traveling with anyone? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, oh, just have her come with you and I'll just check her in to make it easy. I was like, oh, thanks. And then I was like, I'm actually traveling with 2 other people. And she was like, oh, have them come too. So we all checked in at the same time. It's like, what time? Like probably like 11. Yep, it's literally 11 on the dot. Well, 10:59. And we board at 1:10, so we're about to get food.
So hungry.
I'm starving.
Could eat, of course.
But yes, so we're about to get food, but we got through security. We finessed our seats by each other, so everything's going well.
Amazing.
I feel like I need a squat like this because I'm like so much taller than
I know, but I'm like,
this is so sad too because we both have on the same shoes. Like
I got her.
yeah, she got me these for my birthday.
Ooh, love that.
So they're platforms, and I'm already taller than her. I'm like what, 6 inches taller than
Yeah, I'm like on a good
you?
day, 5'2".
Oh, I thought you were 5'3".
That's
She's 5'2" and I'm 5'8", so got 6 inches on her, and now I'm wearing platforms, so I feel gigantic.
All right.
I said that I'm gonna be there, and they're gonna be like, oh, an Amazonian woman.
You matter.
You matter? You matter?
Amazonian.
You matter? Yes, I matter. Mine does, kind of. Like a
Mine doesn't smell like spicy at all. This is no spicy. This is like oil and like cilantro. Is it spicy to you?
No.
I was like, it's. I mean,
We hand sanitize our hands. Wait,
I don't
mine
mind
does have
it.
a little kick.
There's an aftertaste.
Try mine.
It is.
I'm
I mean, it's still. I'm still gonna put it on. It's good. I don't mind it.
Hopefully it doesn't mess up my burger. Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers to Asian adventures.
Asian adventures.
That was unattractive. We're about to board. Got our passports, boarding passes. Say bye, America.
Adios, Americano.
Here's to 15 hours on a flight. We're boarding the plane. It is cold. Oh, get them kicks, girl. Get the kicks in. High kicks. We're boarding.
We're going on a
Sure. In our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. We love a woman that works.
Even on vacation, we're working.
Oh, hey guys. We have masks on because people keep sneezing. We disinfected everything, so we got a whole row to ourselves, and Jay and Tat got a whole row to themselves, so this came out very clutch. But we are taking home. Let the adventures begin. got our little express connection stickers for our Bangkok flight.
It looked like it went
through it. Oh. Yeah, that flight, it was not a bad flight at all. I got a lot of stuff done. I edited the first section of the vlog that I have so far. I got that done. I drew like 6 things, so I have 6 posts for my graphic design page. Got a lot of stuff done. But now we're just walking to get on the shuttle. We have to get on a shuttle to get on our connecting flight. But the flight was good, like I said. No turbulence or anything. The meals, questionable. All they served was fish, so I could only eat like the sides. My face looks so fat and swollen, but it's fine. It is like, what time in Bangkok?
Like 1 a.m.
It's like 1. Yeah, we were supposed to get here at midnight, and like for some reason they did not take off. Like we were on the plane, like all of us fell asleep. So Tat and J-Rel finessed an entire row to themselves yet again. So Jess and I had our original seats to ourselves, so we had that entire row, and then both of us fell asleep before we even took off, and then so we slept for a good 2 hours before we even took off, and we were just on the plane, and I was like, oh my god, and I woke up and we were finally taking off, and I was like, what the hell? But obviously I don't need to be filming going through customs and things like that, and I went ahead and already took my hat off, so that way they can recognize me. But yeah, catch you guys later. So our taxi driver, Mr. Boncho, don't know where he going.
Look at him. Look at him, acting like he owned the place.
That's him right there in the blue. He got out the car and just asked the woman for directions. So this is not good.
If you want to go on the block, you can, yeah. Might be burning. Be careful. Gucci.
I mean, look at that. Ooh, that's that college degree coming through.
College
degree.
This is when life gives you lemons, girl. You make lemon. Hey!
Hey!